morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 3rd subject Moral Science. Which lesson we are studying? Chapter 14. Let us be friends. Okay, understood this lesson? What we studied? Anybody remember? Anybody can you say? We consider others better than yourself. Okay. That one. Then that is bird story, pleasant and crow story. You understood? We don't fight with our friends. We have to tolerate them. Okay, that we studied last class. Then next page we are going to see today. Page number 52. The longer they stayed together, the more the two birds liked each other, and they treated each other with kindness and love. These birds, how they treated with kindness and love. Soon they become great friends. When we also friendship with the others, we have to kind and love others. That way they soon become great friends. Thus among the birds, the pleasant and crow were the first to become friends. All the other birds saw how the pleasant and the crow stayed together and did not yell or fight. Other birds seeing this, they also wondering how these birds are staying together, not fighting, not arguing and fighting, without how they are staying together. Finally, some of the birds decided to see if the pleasant and the crow were really friends. Some of you want to know these birds are really they are friends. Then if they want to then they are going to do what they are going to do. When the crow was away, they came and asked the pleasant, "Why do you stay with that awful crow? Why you are staying with that crow? Pleasant alone only that there." Then crow somewhere went. Then other birds coming and asking the pleasant, "Why do you stay with that awful crow? You should not say such things." Pleasant was told, "You don't say such things." The pleasant told them, "The crow is a better bird than I am, and he lets me live with him on this tree. I want to stay with him. He is better than me." Or then also he is telling that bird only, he is better than me. The next day, when the pleasant was away, the pleasant went somewhere. Then crow was alone there. Then other birds come and ask, "Why do you stay with that awful pleasant?" Then same question they are asking to crow also. "Why do you stay with that awful pleasant?" Then crow what is saying? "Please don't say that," said the crow. "The pleasant is better bird than I am, and he lets me live with him." You all told the same way. He is better than me. I want to live with him. Please don't say that crow. Pleasant is the better bird that I am, and he lets me live with him. The birds saw that the pleasant and the crow were real friends. They were not they were good friends only. They cannot break their friendship. They said to themselves, instead of fighting, we can be like the pleasant and crow. Then they also thought this pleasant and crow were very good real friends. Then why can't we also let them like that? They also decided instead of fighting and arguing, we also become good friends. That way they decided. And then see the good example of pleasant and the crow. All the other birds also become friends. Then seeing this kind of good things, they also started good friendship with the other birds and they also become good friends. What a good story. The example of the pleasant and the crow teaches how to be good friends. Already we understood how to want good friends. Okay, children, you also do the same way. Okay, you consider others better than me. When we consider others as better than us, they will consider us better than themselves. That is what the birds did. The pleasant said to the crow, you are better than me. Always pleasant said, you are better than me. The crow also said the same thing. The other birds also saying so many questions asking. Then also they said the only one bird, you are better than me. The crow also said the same thing. We should not consider ourselves better than the others. We consider ourselves as better than the others. The troublesome birds tried to make the pleasant and the crow fight and shout at each other, but they did not believe them. If somebody tries to create trouble between us and our friends, we should not believe them. When our friendship broken, some are coming and asking this way, then we have to prudent that time. Then we don't believe that. We have to strong enough to say that person is better than me. You consider others better than yourself. That way you have to behave. The troublesome birds tried to make the pleasant and the crow fight and shout at each other, but they did not believe them. If somebody tries to create trouble between us and our friends, we should not believe them. Some are coming this way, you don't believe that person or that friends. Okay, then we have to consider others better than yourself. And what we have to remember, let us remember, good friends do not argue or fight. Good friends help one another. We have to remember this. Good friends do not argue or fight. Good friends help each other. Okay, this we have to one another. They will help one another. That we have to remember and we have to do the same way. Okay, this you have to read the lesson once again and question answer and one word answer, and I will give you PDF. You have to write your notebook and study. Okay, this is homework. Okay, I hope all of you understood this lesson. We have to like the pleasant and crow. Okay, you don't fight or argue with our friends or anybody. Okay, you have to put into practice this our life. Okay, thank you children.